Hello everyone. We are Team Everythingdata. At Everythingdata, we believe in the power of data and use it to develop products that can transform lives. And today, I'm here to tell you about rent sites and how it can be evolutionary for any small business down the street, like that of Jenny's. But first, let me introduce you to Jenny. Jenny is a 32-year-old fashion designer. Few years back, she set up her own boutique store to dress the people of Melbourne Treadia. She would design apparel, order them and stock her store, ensure a strong supply chain, do some marketing, and talk to customers to build a clientele. With so much on her plate, she eventually found herself having less time for things she is most passionate about, that is, design and customer service, while she also struggled with pushing sales. And as COVID happened, her massive efforts in operation started to look less fruitful. But Jenny isn't alone. There are more than half a million small retail businesses in Australia and New Zealand alone, dealing in groceries, fashions, furnishings, etc., that have all had to grapple with the same fate. This isn't surprising, particularly considering the impact COVID has globally. However, did you know there's a big divide in this impact? The small local businesses were obliterated. Even then, big businesses went on to make profits last year. Their success wasn't only because of the economies of scale, but also because players such as Coles and Woolies drove their sales with data to improve customer experience and support their team. It is no longer a secret that analytics has played a huge role in guiding their strategies by identifying which items were important, how much to stock, how to price, and how to move these stocks around. So, why couldn't small businesses do the same thing? After all, 96% of small businesses in Australia have a computer too. It turns out from our research that analytics tools and solutions supporting the big players are so complex, training intensive, and expensive that small businesses are reluctant to adopt it. Such systems in the market have far more features that can be handled by small retailers, and the cost and complexity associated with learning them or hiring someone to operate the tools are simply not worth it, considering 90% of these features are not even relevant to the business. Here's what a typical big player would use to formulate their sales strategy. Too complex to understand, isn't it? So, how can we help small retailers drive their sales strategy so that they can grow while remaining user friendly and affordable? And that is why we present to you Rent Sites, a no-frills AI-powered solution to help make faster, smarter, and better decisions. Rent Sites is tailored to retail and sits on a PC to offer actionable suggestions so retailers can maximize their sales opportunities. When you launch Rent Sites, you'll find easy to read suggestions on what to do to achieve your daily target. For example, sell X number of jackets, price them dynamically based on customer response and stocks, forecast demands, and give other insights. Behind the scenes, Rent Sites studies customer purchase behavior, inventory, market, and social media trends and find patterns with days, times, seasons, etc. to come up with these recommendations. This will help retailers like Jenny maintain top notch operations resulting from data driven insights and also make her more time to invest in activities that makes all the difference: customer service. With an AI driven engine that becomes smarter with every use, a user friendly, no frills, retail oriented solution offering insights into trends at a very competitive price, we would deliver high value to our customers while being the first of our kind. We have come to believe that retailers need rent sites now more than ever. There's high digital and data awareness among the masses, and with cloud services, it is possible to build a tool necessary to create the sustainable long-term solution that rent sites is. Our target market is comprised of emerging and evolving micro to small retailers employing 1 to 19 people with a revenue short of $1 million. These businesses, these business owners are tech friendly, customer centric, ambitious, and most importantly, price sensitive. We will offer a limited set of features to retailers in exchange for their data without charging them a fee and sell the processed and aggregated data to enterprises and organizations to boost market understanding for a revenue. Retailers will also have the option to access the full range of features by paying a fee and becoming premium users. To make rent sites affordable and lean, we will use Microsoft Azure Stream Analytics services. The data retailers collect will be stored in Azure Cosmos DB, utilizing the fast query retrieval engine on which we would run real time analytics. On top of this, our custom built recommender system will run on the data through Azure Cognitive Service, and the produced recommendations will be visualized and shown to the users on the RentSites app. For us, it is extremely important that our customers place their trust in us and we are able to deliver well. Our business growth strategy is built on three pillars: advertising and marketing, forming partnerships, and engaging in socially relevant initiatives. Platforms such as LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook will help us directly connect with small businesses and showcase our product. Additionally, we will partner with government and private entities that support small businesses in their growth to get the word out about us. Lastly, we will extend our support to female business owners and first time business owners through discounted services in their quest for success to make sure our product is equitably accessible. To make a unique product accessible to micro to small businesses, we will offer rent sites at a competitive price of just $50 per month. With this price, to break even, we will need to capture just 0.1% of the total small retail market. We believe, given the current situation and high digital literacy, we will be able to achieve this number within the first 3 years of our launch. We would consider rent sites a success as we see rise in the number of leads generated, total number of data buyers, retailers meeting their targets using our product, and upgrading to premium user status and increasing their profits. And with this vision, our next step is to create a market ready product, test it to get some feedback from the target audience. We're aiming to raise $300,000 to form a technical team to develop the product in the next 12 months. Additionally, we are also wanting to meet more retail subject matter experts to understand the situation better. Thank you for watching this presentation.